That'd give
Oh,
us...
you should know.
Yeah.
This new guy, we all die in one less hit with this new guy.
Who is this new guy?
Morgul.
Oh, Morgul.
Popping, it's right here. It's like right next to us apparently.
Where? Where's right here? Oh, you walked away from me. Oh shit, no, there you are, okay. I have the light bar, so I have a larger spread, but less range.
It's in here. Garbage room. There it is.
I arrived as quickly as I
Alright,
could.
keep going this way.
It occurred so easily that I had to see it by myself.
Here's Frank the monster.
Oh shit, that thing is ugly as fuck.
Right?
Got him. Alright. Is your compass ready? Because I don't know which way to go from here.
Mine's almost ready.
Alright. Open this right there. Fuck, I forget you just throw it in the
This
direction.
way, right here.
This way.
If you hold down Q, you'll just drop it right down.
I got you. Yeah, there's a battery right behind right next to me.
You have your compass.
Oh, it's right in this room.
Is it?
Here it is.
Go for it.
This place is not haunted. The whole world is. This college is just the tip of the iceberg.
No, it's not. I'm gonna go in here and grab this battery.
Alright.
There's another battery in here for you if you want.
Good. We got plenty of battery.
And
Wait,
another
what is-
battery.
I thought that was incense, it's just paintbrushes.
Oh, it's way in this direction.
Which way? Which way is this direction? Fuck was
This
that?
way and to the left slightly. So.
Alright, I'm just gonna drop shit
Whoa,
as we go. That
shit,
was me.
what the hell was that noise?
That was me dropping light.
No, it was like a.
I have no idea. A whoo? That's the sound it was? A whoo?
Yeah, kind of like a whoosh.
Oh, shit. I hear doors opening. I don't like this.
Gollum joined the session.
Hey, someone's with us. Oh, fuck, there's a transmitter right here.
Grab it.
I am grabbing it. Okay, still straight this way. Or, well, this way and then to the right, I guess.
Oh, they left. Freaking phone.
Whatever.
Hell.
Oh, this is the room we started in. Motherfucker.
Where'd you go?
I went back. Oh, god damn it. I'm down the hall again. Okay, to the left. Right here.
Yep.
Let's not go this way, though. Go this way. No, it's this way.
Sure.
Yeah, I popped it just a minute ago. I think, yeah, this way.
Popping mine.
Alright.
It's straight ahead. You gotta go around the door.
Yeah, I'm right.
Not liking
The
this.
fuck was that noise? I heard the whoosh.
See, it's not just me.
No. Found it.
My eyes itch and burn.
Alright.
This goes
way.
on. I may have to pop them out.
Wait, what the fuck? There's a flashbang right here. Ooh, grab that flashbang. Right there.
Yeah. You have to tell me twice.
You lockers. Battery. I think it's this way?
I'm gonna go grab the battery. I've got it.
Okay.
If I keep her battery above 50%, her exploration is super high.
Okay. This way then.
Yes.
The fuck? Hello?
What'd you do to piss off those lockers?
I didn't use them all year. Woo! Ah, fuck stairs.
I'll be honest, I did that my senior year. I didn't use any
Nope,
lockers.
this
I
way.
just carried everything in my backpack.
It's this way. Okay, there's another whoosh, but it sounds like me breathing heavily. Yeah.
I want.
Hello? Morgul?
I don't think that's you making that noise.
Morgul? He's calling us. We should pick up the phone. I think it's the pizza I ordered.
I mean, I can always shout. Oh, I hear it.
Yeah,
It's
here
downstairs.
It's down here. I don't know how to get down though.
Throw a light stick and you teleport to it. Like,
Oh,
like
magic, I
Sombra.
forgot.
You gotta be like Sombra, man.
Wait,
Throw
you're
your
not
shit and
you
teleport
telling me
to
this
it.
is spooky Overwatch now? Yeah, there we go,
Could be.
stairs. Spooky, scary Overwatch. This would be a cool map.
Oh,
Fuck, run.
oh my god, that scared the absolute crap out of me.
That scares me too. Oh shit, he's behind us! Ah, fuck. I can't turn my flashlight back on, he's got me. Fuck you, monster! Oh god. That's not a cool thing.
It's this way, it's this way. Sorry.
Which way?
It's this way.
Okay. I can run really fucking fast though, Jesus.
Oh my god, he's back already?
Where? What did you put him on? I found it, I found it.
Hey, I put it on normal.
You never learn
Change
new
anything.
life
Fuck is between? What happened with the last one then?
kids have to know
I
way
far
too
more
early.
Shit, where'd he go? There he is.
It's right where he is. Oh god. No! Oh,
Run.
Jesus, I'm so close.
Run, fuck out of here.
Oh hey, it's John. He actually decided to join us.
Oh, did he now?
Oh my god, he's so close again!
Fuck, where? He's behind us, isn't he?
I think so, maybe?
I don't know where to go. Do you, okay, this way, this way, this way.
Oh, he's behind us.
Yeah, I see him, I see him, I see him.
He's gotta go right over here.
Fuck out of here. Ah, fuck, that's why he found us. There's a fucking thing in there.
Oh, but that's where we have to go, because there's one in here
Shit,
too.
it is.
I still got a flashback.
Run by.
Oh, I forgot. His ability is his whole thing is with idols. He can put one up instantly from essentially right. He also has an ability that he can teleport to an idol and destroy it.
Streets were black
Like this
yesterday, old but empty. Now they're scribbled all over with strange symbols.
This door right here. Fucking go, go, go. I think it's this way. To the right. Ah, fuck.
Oh my god! No wonder we didn't see him for so long. He put up all these idols. Oh, it's back one. Oh no, it's this way. It's yellow. This way. This way to the right.
Carry me.
Oh god.
This way, straight ahead towards the idol. Damn it. Run by it, run by it.
Oh, he's behind us.
Run by it.
Behind us. It's behind us. Oh shit.
He turned yours off, he didn't turn mine off.
Alright, then I'm gonna soak up his attack.
Well, he's after me, so.
I can't see anything.
Coming towards me. Oh god.
God, this guy's tough. This guy's really tough.
Fuck, it's back the way we came. See me, right?
Oh, that's one right next to you.
Go destroy those fucking idols.
There's so many.
I know,
Oh my
fucking kill
God.
them.
Oh, I gotta get this one first. You're gonna get line of sight of it.
Everyone's gone. I'm freaking the fuck out right now.
John, are you gonna speak? I gotta go get this one.
I'm not liking this. I need to find a battery too. God, I need a battery so bad. Flickering.
Alright. You're good.
Alright, nah, fuck, it's back the way, dude. This way. Shit. Battery? Oh, that's painkillers. No, I don't want the painkillers. I want the transmitter. Wait, would the painkillers help me now? Painkillers help me now. Right?
No, they restore sanity.
Yeah, I know. I'm fucking crazy right now.
We're off here the bush. Oh my god, I like this guy.
Where the fuck did he come from?
Behind you, apparently.
Scared the shit out of me. Fuck. Why did I decide to do this? Alright. Just fucking continue. I don't really want to say.
Oh.
Alright, John. Everybody, welcome Living Legends. Yay. But that's where I'm going to end this episode. but I will record some more. So if you liked it, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and whatever the fuck you want down below. Don't forget to ring the little bell for notifications when I upload shit. And tune in next time. Dicks.